When it comes to buying a property, you can obviously buy a property in your personal name, you can buy it in a company, you can buy it in a trust. Why would I buy a property in a company and not in a trust? And explain to me the different ways why people do what they do when it comes to the investment vehicle of choice.
Firstly, it's important to note you can't buy on behalf of a trust to be formed. So purchasers can't sign on behalf of a trust to be formed. They can sign on behalf of a company to be formed. We've all seen those clauses. So firstly, is your trust in place prior to you signing an offer to purchase? If we tick both those boxes, company is formed or is to be formed, trust is formed, then we can move on into the next one. The issue that we normally look at would be, is it estate planning that you're looking at? A trust carries on in perpetuity. So should any of the trustees pass away, any of the beneficiaries passes away, the trust still carries on in perpetuity. The negative side of that is, obviously it comes into capital gains tax. If you're buying the property and you're going to keep it for a long time, in a family trust, in a business trust, or whatever the case may be, it's good to put it in a trust. It carries on. You save on estate duty, which can be quite high, 20%. The negative of that is you're paying capital gains tax, which is 36% in a trust. Companies, people do form structures where they're buying into a company. It's quicker, but it's registered with SARS, goes through all those processes, the CRPC and all of that you have to look at that. But also there's structures where the shares are then owned by a trust again. So you can put all those structures together, it becomes complex. I would advise any purchasers rather to contact us and we can sit down to them and explain that to them.